Hey, my magical friends. Today we're opening up my two favorite subscription boxes. We have Goddess Provisions and the Witch's Roots. So these are both clearly spiritual type witchy boxes. I opened the July boxes pretty recently, but these are the new ones. These are the August boxes. This is kindly sent to me free for review, Goddess Provisions, and I pay for Witch's Roots. So they'll both be linked down below. What one should we start with? How about we start off with Goddess Provisions? So Goddess Provisions is $33 a month, and there's a theme each month, and this one's all about tarot. And if you guys don't know, I have a second channel on Kitty Outside the Box where I do tarot readings, spiritual content, pretty much tarot readings. And so clearly I'm even more excited than usual. I can't wait to see what's inside. They use recyclable boxes. Everything is vegan, cruelty-free. Together we shine. How cute is the packaging? And yeah, I already peeked a little bit. So let's see if we can get this to stay open. I love this. Ask and you shall receive. And Treasures of the Tarot is the theme, and it gives the pricing and a little information. I love this box. It is so good. I always recommend this for people wanting a spiritual box. It's the cheapest. Well, Witch's Root, if you are witchy and you like herbs and stuff, that one is a little cheaper at $30. This is $33. We'll talk about that more later, but this one is like a different theme each month. You get a crystal, some other goodies. It's my favorite. These are both my top two subscriptions right now. The Star is my favorite tarot card. Yay! This is the Star Natural Air Freshener in Vanilla Scent. And that's a beautiful one too. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an affirmation. I am a creation of divine energies. So this is toxic-free air freshening. An all-natural air freshener made with plant-based essential oils. Freshen up your space and reach for the stars. Rechargeable. So you can add in some essential oil drops after 2 to 3 weeks to refresh it. Oh my gosh. Both sides look like that. I love it. This is $6. Oh, I just made some tea. My stomach's been hurting since my walk this morning for some reason, and tea. I'm like, I need tea. Oh my God, I like this brand, Holly Santo. But this is the tea, Tarot Fruit Blend, loose leaf herbal tea. I love that it's a tarot blend, and look how beautiful the packaging is. So what's in this? Goddess Tarot Fruit Blend. Oh my God, love it. It's caffeine free. It has lemon peels, orange peels, rose hips, and hibiscus flowers. Beautiful. I'm really excited. Oops, I think my ice machine's on. Did you guys hear that? And then we have a little spray here. Let's get this out. I'm so excited. By October Occult, The Star, Clairvoyance Mist. It's made with rose quartz, crystal infused full moon water. Ooh, the full moon's tomorrow. I'm totally charging some water. Neroli, orange blossom, jasmine flowers, and sandalwood. Oh, this sounds amazing. And it's the Star. Okay. Do a little mist. Is it? Try mist on me. I'll just mist on me. Let's see. Or I don't want to get it in my tea. Oh, let's see. Smells really good. I think you missed on yourself, but I just wanted you guys to see the mist. For some reason, that's really fun. And probably because I'm thinking of like makeup mist videos, but yeah, awesome. Super excited about that. I have to take a sip. Ooh, here's our stone. Let's look at this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I've been getting fluorite in different colors and I love it. This one's like this beautiful blue, but fluorite is great for tarot readers. Oh my gosh, yes. Can't get enough. Clear negativity with this raw fluorite and embrace relaxation with this calming stone. Keep it near when making important decisions to maintain a balanced mindset. Note, this stone is not water safe. I didn't know that, so that is great to know. I will charge this full moon with all my crystals. Yes, I love getting cards. Ooh, it's all the major arcanas. Right, I think it says this or there's 22 of them. Archetypal energies supports my evolution. Yes, definitely. But I have a bunch of these. If you've been following, you've seen them. I love the packs. They're all limited edition, collector's edition. This is series 2. I don't know what all the numbers are, but you can collect them and like get certain ones. Like the other packs had 7 each, I think, or I guess it depended. Like there was a chakras of 7. This is $22. Oh my God, I can tell they're beautiful. I'm trying not to like destroy the bag, but we're just gonna have to do this. So this is what the back looks like of the other ones. You can mix them in or just use these separate. These are beautiful. Since there's only 22, we're just going to go through them quick. I'll use these today, I think. Or tomorrow. I'm going to do a tarot pick a card. These old items, yay! I'm so excited. I love getting cards. I just bought a deck yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. I bought the Starseed Oracle by Rebecca Campbell. Oh, a tarot case. Oh, this is nice. Oh my god, and then an altar cloth. This is like made for me, right? I love it. Ooh, pretty. Tea. Oh, I love this. This is really nice. Your cards will be super protected. Oh my god, ask and you shall receive. That was the right on the front, the art print. Right. Nice. Here, let's put them in there. Yeah, so you can fit a full deck. And this is so sturdy. Most of the bags are, well, most other ones I have are bags. This is not even a bag. This is like a case. Like legit. Louis will not get damaged in here. Oh, magnet. Nice. And it is definitely vegan. Yeah, vegan leather. Everything's vegan. I just wanted to double check in case anyone was thinking that too. And then we have an altar cloth. Yes, I can use a new one. Oh my god, and I love it. You see it all? I love black and purple. It's good for when you're doing readings too, because like the contrast with the cards. Beautiful. So that was everything in the Goddess Provisions box. I love it. So let's just set this aside and then we'll go into Witch's Roots. So Witch's Roots every month is based around a specific herb and you get other items too. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I know I've said this multiple times, but I'm not like just saying this. These are legit my top 2 favorite boxes. And I love them both. I don't know if I could decide which one. Like I think this has been rated the top in a few of my favorite videos recently. Oh. Okay, let's see what the theme is. I don't remember. They have 2 other subscriptions. Oh my god, it's like they complement each other so well, you guys. The Psychic Vision. Don't you love how it comes with this? So let's see what it says. As practitioners, we are truly in awe of the information we receive from those things that are considered metaphysical or not visible in the physical realm. These are the gifts that we hold as seekers of spiritual and occult wisdom. We work to catch the cue that is passed to us through spiritual guides. These messages can be found with intuitive practices, divination, like tarot, signs, symbols, gentle reminders, or impressions. In this very special collection, we work with a variety of very unique tools that are intended to walk with us on our journey into intuitive realms. The magical items in the box are as follows. I don't have the herb. Oh my god. And then there's always a personalized oracle card, and I feel like they're always like dead on for me. This is beautiful. The heart works through the hands. Tarot? There are times to quiet the mind's character with a simple work of heart and hands. Take the hands you have been blessed with and turn them to some simple, wholesome task this day. It will change everything. I think I'm being called to do the tarot reading. I haven't decided if I was going to do it or not yet. But I'll reflect on that later. Let's see. What deck is that from? The Calming Inspirations deck by Lucy Cavendish. Beautiful. And we get art prints every month. One with the plant, and then it looks like Sodalite. I just watched a pick a card and I had Sodalite in it. I usually have a bracelet on with Sodalite. I'm gonna take everything out, I think, and then let's go from there. Oh my gosh, because I want to start with the herb. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a deck in here. Okay, so can you even see all these? So let's start off with the herb. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but I've heard a lot about this. Damiana leaf. And they give you a lot. Like, this is a good portion. And let's see what it says about it. On the art print, it talks a lot. And here, look at this whole first paragraph. That's all about it. But let's just look at the summary. So I love the art prints I have. I have some all around me. I showed you in the other video. So it'll talk about where the origin of the plant is, other names it goes by, elements associated with it, celestial influences and zodiac signs, colors, stones, botanicals, animals, and magical beings associated with the plant, and then the magical properties. It is long hailed as the penultimate herb of passion. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's coming back to me now. Its charms help to attract one's desires. Often imbibed as a tea or steeped in a bath, the herb holds potent powers to induce lust during ritual sex magic or sexual tantric rites. However, Damiana's strength as an aphrodisiac is no way compares to its power of accessing the liminal. Burned, Damiana greatly enhances psychic vision, whether a journey of the soul to make peace with the shadow self, a realignment of subtle energy centers, or an exploration of spiritual realms and insight. Its magical properties overwhelmingly support worthy seekers of psychic development and metaphysical knowledge. I'm so excited. I love this. And then let's move on to the stone Sodalite. I love this. It's really good for balancing your emotions and balance in general. But let's see what it says. And then we have some right here. How about I hold it when we read it? Cool. I'm excited to learn more about it. I've been getting more into, I mean, I have so many crystals, but like, I'm really trying to work with them more. I'm trying to. And I actually went to a metaphysical shop yesterday trying to buy lodestone, but they didn't have it, so I have to order some online. This is my reminder. Because I don't think I have any. I would know if I did. I have so many crystals. Beautiful, though. Okay, how about we switch hands? So, description, primarily, well, we don't need to look at the description of the color. We want the magical properties, but it has the same thing. It goes through all of the associations. It's a stone of wisdom and insight, and Sodalite helps to further innovative ways of thinking. It may help to recall previous lives or further mentally ground one in the here and now. When worn or carried, Sodalite promotes clear thinking, dispelling fear or confusion to increase stability and generate harmony with oneself and others. It stimulates the third eye to draw a connection between the inner and outer worlds, and it's especially useful guide for intense meditations or extensive soul journeys. It is good for, or particularly potent for recognizing something with natural patterns. Preternatural? I don't know that word. Sorry. It happens like every time I read something. It is good for accessing the sacred within the mundane. Ooh, I'm learning. I love it. Love this. So beautiful. Yay. And then is this an oil? Oh, I'm so excited. This is annoying, guys. I'm like sweaty right now. I was all cold and I turned off the air and now it's hot. I love their oils. Oh my God. I love everything. Selenite. Or Selene. Okay, that's like the moon goddess. Okay, but I bet I wouldn't be surprised if there's selenite in it. Selenite is associated with the moon. This helps enhance your connection with lunar cycles and energies. I'm so excited. I opened this right before the full moon. Oh my God. Each full moon, anoint your tools with a drop of this anointing oil to aid in shining light on the wisdom that is stored with the recent cycle's experiences. We've enchanted this magical anointing oil with rose, lang-lang, gardenia, jasmine, and camille oils. They also included damiana and jasmine herbs, and a Lemurian quartz, one to personify oneness in your aura. And they use a little bit of their Goddess of the Night magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. I'm so excited. How timely. I love all this. Oh my gosh, and the Moon Magic deck will open the next... Well, we'll look at the... We'll do that last, actually. So then we can go through it if anyone wants to look at it, too. I love their incense. I was just raving about this. And this just says ritual incense. Oh, Luna, the moon. That's so pretty. They didn't have to write it out. Okay. Luna ritual incense sticks. These wonderfully fragrant ritual incense sticks were placed within this collection to bring you nurturing and intuitive energies during your practice. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft throughout your space, take a deep and intentional breath, allowing yourself to clear any tangled emotions and thoughts that may be holding you in a stagnant position. And then, as always, we have a candle. Oh man, I'm so excited. So many new goodies. Oh man, that beautiful blue. Oh God, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna rip it apart anymore. We have here their Calming Intuition Mini Spell Candle. We hand-rolled this Calming Intuition Mini Spell Candle with the intention of activating your psychic sight during divination or meditation. Well, I'll have to light it when I do my tarot readings. As you allow the flame to dance before you, take the time to clear your thoughts, easing your anxieties and frustrations so that you may receive messages more clearly. I love it, and that color is just stunning. And then last but not least, the Moon Magic Deep Moon Messages by Stacy Demarco. Oh my God, I'm so excited. On the back it says, more and more of us are choosing to deeply connect with the cycles of the moon. Yeah, it's something I've been doing, and I think it's been great, life-changing. These cards enable you to tap into the magic of the lunar cycle with a wise affirmation so you can powerfully integrate into your world, allowing the moon to guide you as she always has for millennia. Yes, for all time. Oh my gosh, look at the back. I love the moon. Our ancient ancestors often relied on divination to gain insight. We too, as modern people, can also benefit from receiving regular messages from the energies. Pull a single card each morning. It is a simple act that will guide your day with a solitary insight. Hold the affirmation to your heart and integrate it for the day. I pull so many cards. I love this affirmation. Oh my God, they all look different. Beautiful. I kind of love that. Like the backs are different, and then there's an affirmation on the other side. So I'll show you these quick, and then we'll just draw. Aw. These are so pretty. I love it. Yeah, we'll close the video off with an affirmation. Yes! Oh, I love this stuff. Oh, I love colors. Okay, Spirit, I know I haven't cleansed this deck, but the energy feels good. What affirmation does the collective and I need to hear right now? What would be most beneficial for those watching and I to repeat right now? Thank you. Let's see. I enjoy the serendipity of life. The unexpected can be wonderful. Yes, Blue Moon. I feel like I have been thinking about this pretty much. Like, life is so serendipitous. Oh my gosh, it is. But like, just releasing control and letting the universe like provide these like amazing like miracles and beautiful surprises makes life so much more fun. Like every day is fun and beautiful. I love this. Since I discovered that, I totally agree. I accept and create more flow and pleasure in my life. Waning Gibbous 2. Let's look at this one too. I said 1, but I am curious about my true nature. I seek to understand myself. Waning Gibbous 1. I love this. I was born on a waning gibbous. How about we close off that question? What was the moon's phase when you were born? Do you know? If you don't know, I can help you look, or you can just Google it. But anyways, you guys, I love you so much. I want to keep talking to you so bad, but I will let you go. I'm going to go play with these cards, cleanse my crystals, all that stuff. This just made my night. I hope this was enjoyable for you as well. I love you so much. Bye. So just FYI, I stood up that whole video because look at who was sleeping in my chair. Can you say hi? Say hi. Bye. Please subscribe. Bye. And like the video too, she said. Thanks.